Hi, this is Spencer here at Kendall Mall in Nampa, here to talk to you about the Canyon AT4 GMC. Let's go take a look. Starting at the front of the vehicle here, you can see we have a custom grille for the AT4s, all LED headlights, and then underneath the hood here, it's a 4-cylinder turbo max engine. They did a really good job on designing these engines here. They're even actually designed by the same engineers that designed the Duramax engine, so really well built, 310 horsepower and 430 foot-pounds of torque with it. Also features Victory red tow hooks in the front. And then another cool feature of the AT4s is you actually get a transmission skid plate too. So again, for off-roading, that's what these trucks are really built for. You're going to be fully protected out there on the trails. And then one thing to point out on the side of the vehicle here, 2-inch factory lift. And then you do get these really cool rock sliders. Again, this truck is really built for going off-road. It just keeps you protected even on the side of the vehicle too. And then on the back of the vehicle here, again, LED tail lights. And something really cool that they did with the tailgate, they actually give you a pretty cool little storage compartment. Open it up, waterproof. There's even a drain in it, so you can throw ice in there, any kind of tools or anything like that. Makes it really convenient. Again, in the bed, you get a 110 outlet and then 8 tie-down spots, which, again, they should have came out with that forever ago. All right, then moving into the AT4 here, you can see detailed interior. They did a really good job with the update. The AT4 is one of my favorite trim levels, just for one, the features you get with it. This one happens to have heated seats, heated steering wheel, but also the two-tone leather here just looks really, really good. 11.3-inch touchscreen, really nice for Google Maps, everything like that. And then on the actual dash here, it'll even have like tilt and everything like that. Again, really for going off-road and seeing what it's capable of. This is Spencer here at Kendall Mall in Nampa. Come see me here to take this GMC Canyon out for a test drive. Let's start something great.
We'll deliver your vehicle to your front door, driveway, or workplace, no matter the distance. We offer free home delivery within 100 miles of our dealership. Simply buy online, and we'll drop off right to your front door. Hit like and subscribe to our channel to watch more great videos from Kendall. Come by our beautiful new Chevrolet dealership in Nampa off I-84, near Boise, Meridian, and Caldwell. Kendall, let's start something great.